What's happening, guys? Jason here, back with the Supernatural 1967 Impala, and we are starting to wrap up the work on the Buick Wildcat, parting it out for everything I need. So, I got the seat out, and I want to show y'all something kind of cool, something I've never seen before. So, the back seat passengers, flip it over. The cigarette lighter is right there on the back of the seat. I've never seen that before in my life on both sides. It's just sitting there waiting. Now, as to what's going on in here. That is one big pile of shit. So yeah, that's a absolute heap of rat shit that was under the seat on this guy, and that needs to come out because I need the floor pans out of this car because pristine floor pans somehow are hiding underneath that. And the floor pans on that one over there, they ain't worth a damn. So I'm going to PPE up and get a shovel and try to get this shit out of this car. Because, yeah, I need those floor pans.
Alright, so I read up on hantavirus, and basically, unless the rat shit is fresh, you should be safe, but I'm not taking any chances whatsoever. Okay. I'll see if I can get this damn back seat out and find what's under it. Mayhem. Oh, for fuck's sake. Really?
Oh, got to love barn find cars. I got to be so pissed when that 67 Impala is so crap when this thing looks 10 times worse and has such pristine sheet metal in it. Well, that right there was hands down the worst rat infestation I have ever seen. So, y'all do me a favor. If you ever come across an animal rights activist who complains about when people use traps and everything to get rid of mice, show them this video. They are disgusting, destructive little bastards. So, yeah, that's it for today. Hopefully I upload later. I don't die of hantavirus or something else. Bubonic plague maybe. Who knows? But did the best I could there. And yeah, floorboards look good at least. So yeah, we're going to wind up chopping those out. And then, I don't know if I'll do anything with the motor or not. I may just try to cart the car out and sell it as is. Who knows? We'll figure it out. So thanks for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you enjoy these videos and you want to see more.